Good morning, scholars. Good morning, good morning. So, as we prepare to transition from math to ELA, let's settle down, settle down. Hello, I'm trying to get your attention. 1, 2, 3, all eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now, let's have a seat, right? Let's get right into our lesson. Okay? Now, our learning objective today, right, will be students will be able to use what they know about closed, open, and magic E syllables to make and read one syllable words, right? So, Ms. Simpson, well, what does that mean? Well, that means that, well, I'll tell you what. First and foremost, let's review our vowels and our consonants, right? Who can tell Ms. Simpson? Who can tell Ms. Simpson the vowel sounds? Who knows the vowel sounds? Okay, Nelly, let's go. Got your hand up. Okay, A-E-I-O-U. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Okay, so now, who can tell me how many consonants are there in the alphabet? Tricky question, huh? Yeah, thought so. So we know that there are, let's count the vowels, right? Let us look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's A, E, I, O, U, and what? Sometimes Y. Exactly. So that's what? Maybe 6 letters, right? So there should be a total of 27 letters, right? So everything, keep in mind, scholars, that everything that is not a vowel, it is called a consonant. Every letter that is not a vowel, right? For example, B, G, H, D, F, C, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, V, Z, Y, so on and so forth, right? Not necessarily in that order, but you know what I'm talking about, right? So let's review. Let's review, right? Our vowel chart, right? So here we have short vowels, right, and long vowels. Short vowels, right? A, cat, cat, right? E, short vowels now. Remember what Miss Simpson said, short vowels. E, egg, peg, right? You hear the peg, right? Now, in comparison to a long E, right, what do you see right there? That's a key. Key. Do you hear the long E? Key, right? Let's go back it up to the word, to the word cat. Do you hear the long A in cat? No, it's a short A vowel sound. Cat, right? Now listen to this word, cake. Do you hear the long A in cake? Cake, right? Cake. Good job, good job. Let's move it forward. So we did A, E, I, pig, pig, right? Now listen to this, kite, kite. You hear the what? The I. Good job, good job, good job. Now, what's the next letter we're going to do? O. Good job. O. So now let's look at this word. It says box. Do you hear the letter O in box? No, you don't. You don't. I don't. You don't. Let's look at the letter O again on the other side, on the long vowel side, right? It says boat. Do you hear the letter O? Boat. You do. O. It's like you can't miss it, right? Long E sound. Lastly, let's look at the letter U, short vowel sound. Sun. Do you hear the U in sun? Absolutely not. Right? Now let us look at the long vowel sound for the letter U. Cube. Do you hear the U? Yes. Cube. Say it with me. Cube. Good job. Good job. Let's move forward, right? You're going to move forward and transition to syllable types, right? There are basically 6 syllable types. Closed syllables, open syllables, vowel consonants, right? Vowel team syllables, R controlled syllables, consonant L syllables, right? Let's back it up. You say, well, Ms. Simpson, what is a closed syllable word? These are syllables, that in syllables and in a consonant, and the vowel is, oh my goodness, Miss Simpson can't see that. Generally short, right? Generally short. Now listen to it. And they're both closed because you don't hear, and they close because you don't hear the long A, right? Or the long I. Notice that the C is over the letter A, right? And the C is over the letter I, right? And the C is in red because it's closed. It means it's a closed syllable. Rabbit, right? Rabbit. Do you hear the letter the long A in rabbit? No, you don't. No, right? But what are the two syllables there? The two syllables, the two vowels, A and what? I. Good job, good job. Let's move it forward to the open syllables, right? Robot. Now, the difference is the open syllables, right? You can hear the long O or the long A or the long E or the long U sound, right? These are vowels that you can clearly hear because they stand out, right? So, robot. What do you hear? What vowel do you hear? Right? And you tell me if it's long or short. Robot. Good job. Good job. Ramel, what did you say? Oh, right. It's the long O sound. Robot, right? But what, and it's basically, and let's also clap it out. Robot, right? I can't put my hands down. I'm phone in my hand. But robot, right? So it's two. If we clap that out, it's like 1, 2. Robot, right? So now with that said, my computer just died. All right. Let me see something. I wonder, can I